League. I don't know if y'all saw my community post. It's on last from here too. When I checked it last night. And on my community post, my first load, you know, I got my first load on the truck since the overhaul. It didn't hold up too good. I thought we had a major leak. There was oil all over the engine, you know. And so on roadside, I had this replaced. This is the only oil line, you know, high pressure oil line on this side. So this is what I thought was bad. So I had this replaced. And then after that, I got back on the road and it started leaking again. So I stopped over, I pulled over, and I got it towed. I got from under the load, had somebody come get the load, and I got the truck towed to my mechanic. My mechanic told me that the valve cover is what was leaking. When they put some more oil in it and they pressure washed it, put more oil in it, and then they took it down the road themselves, and they realized there was a lot of oil coming out from under here. And they cleaned out the breather tube on the it's like a piece of foam on the other side. I have to show y'all in a second, but if you look, you'll see that they put a bunch of like put a bunch of RTV under it to help it seal. Like I said, I drove it about an hour home from my mechanic's shop. You know, I didn't have any leaks, but you know, we have to actually get a load on it again to see how well it'll hold up. But I'll show y'all here. Let me see. Yeah, my breather tube up here. I'm gonna finger out the way. Right there. It's up at the top there. There's like some kind of sponge or something inside of there. They actually cleaned it out and everything, and whatnot. I was getting a lot of oil on this side of the motor, but come to find out, my breather tube, if you see it, it's right there. My breather tube had cuts in it. I'm guessing from the previous owner, whoever owned it before I did. And the blow-by was getting on the side of the block, so I thought there was an oil leak up here, but it wasn't. It was just that from the blow-by. And just because the engine has been overhauled and brand new, you know, been overhauled, you're still gonna have a little blow-by. Like I have a little bit. It's not much at all. But they cleaned that filter out. I know I'm jumping everywhere. They cleaned that filter out and put it back together for me and resealed up the valve cover. He told me Detroits are known to seep a little oil, or you know, here and there. I said, you know, seepage is fine, but pouring out of the engine, that's a problem. You know, that's a big problem. But yeah, man, this is like I said, we're gonna try to put it on the road again Monday, and we're gonna try it again, you know, and hopefully she holds up this time. I'm hoping she does. But I'm not gonna hold y'all long. This is gonna be a short video. Y'all can like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.